Jake here for American Trucks, and today I'm taking a look at these full LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses for 2009 to 2014 F-150 style sides. These lights bring a clean, updated OEM style look to the rear end of your truck and combine it with some really nice updated lighting elements that are going to make them a great addition to any F-150. Now if that sounds good to you, then you're in luck, because these also provide you with upgraded lighting, a longer lifespan, and easy installation, all for an affordable price point. Swapping out a set of lights is an easy way to make a big visual statement on your truck. And while there are plenty of more eye-catching designs out there for taillights, these are going to make a statement without going overboard. Now they keep a more OEM type look overall, but they combine it with some nice upgrades. Now the first thing that you're going to notice are the dark smoked lenses and the black internal housings. Now obviously these are quite dark, even just sitting here on the table under the lights. So it makes for a pretty stealthy appearance once they're on your truck. If you're going for that blacked out style, these are going to be right up your alley. However, these are still going to have a better light output than your stock lights, and that is thanks to the LEDs inside. You get two large sections here of LEDs, one on the top, one on the bottom. And these are going to function as your brake, running, and turn signal lights. Now again, even despite being behind those dark tinted lenses, these are going to shine bright, and far brighter in fact than your factory incandescent bulbs. Now that increased lighting output also translates to better visibility out on the road as well, making your truck more visible and thus safer, especially in adverse conditions. And again, because they're LEDs, they're going to last longer than a conventional bulb as well, so no need to be concerned with having to replace bulbs. Now these do retain your factory reverse lights right here in the center. However, that is going to help keep the cost down, and it also gives you the opportunity to upgrade those bulbs while you're in there. So if you're going to go putting these in, now's a great time to do that, and we do have quite a few options on our site should you choose to go that route, but if not, you can just port yours right on over to these. Now construction is your industry standard ABS plastic for the housings in the back with polycarbonate for the lenses out front. Now these are designed to be a direct replacement for your factory lights as well, so they keep the same shape and mounting points as your originals. And of course everything is sealed from the elements to help keep the electronics safe, and those polycarbonate lenses and LEDs inside will make for a more durable setup for some time to come. You also get some included modules here to help with hyper flashing and flickering, so you're not going to have that issue when you plug these in. Pricing comes in at about $225 for the set, putting them on the less expensive side when it comes to taillights for this gen of F-150, especially for an LED setup. And while they may not have all the fancy features like sequential turn signals, etc., they're still a solid, good-looking setup for not a whole lot of cash, so I really don't think that you can go wrong here, provided this is your style. Installation gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter. It should only take you about 30 minutes to get these done. It's a very straightforward job, just plug and play, as these are designed to be a direct replacement for your stock lights, so everything just plugs right on in to the stock locations. And to show you just how to get these installed, let's throw it over to one of our AT customers right now.
The tools for this are simple. All you're going to need is an 8mm socket and ratchet.
Hey guys, today I'm going to quickly show you how to replace your stock taillights on your 2009 to 2014 F-150. That is pretty simple. You're just going to want to open your tailgate, find the two 8mm screws right here and right here. There's one. And there's two. You're gonna want to just shimmy on out. These pins on the top and bottom. There we go. All right. And now we're gonna want to disconnect some of these bulbs inside. I'll give you guys a better angle of that. All right. Then you're just gonna want to twist out the bulbs. That. And twist out all of them. There you go. Now you can set this aside. Then you're simply going to want to pull the light bulbs out. All right, then you're going to want to take your new taillight. Make sure that's the right side and the right orientation. Good. And now we're gonna line them up. Just like you, pretty much doing the reverse of how we took it out. However, now we have these clips. They're gonna wanna clip in to the light bulb sockets. Do this. There you go. And same with the top one. All right, then we're gonna take these wires, shove them inside. And twist. And we also have this middle light. You're gonna wanna twist in to the socket. And the same with the top. Perfect. Now we have these boxes, and there's some adhesive on them. You can stick that inside of your truck, peel that back. For now, I'm just going to set them down inside here. You can just stick them right there. All right, and then line up the pins. Push it on in. All right, then once that's lined up, we're gonna take these bolts that we took off before and put them right back in here. We'll take our 8mm and tighten them back down. Same with the top one. Perfect.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the full LED taillights with black housings and smoked lenses for 2009 to 2014 F-150 style sides. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, for all things F-150, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.